Welcome to the world of computer speech.
The words you've just heard were generated by a computer. Hewlett-Packard, a leader in computer technology, now lowers the barriers between man and machine with a new product, the Speech Output Module. The Speech Output Module is the first speech output peripheral designed and supported by a major computer systems company. It gives you the combined benefits of high-quality speech, low price, easy operation, and broad compatibility. Voice synthesis is now a viable technology for a virtually unlimited number of applications.
Where can you use computer speech?
I'm glad you asked that question. The Speech Output Module is most useful for applications where prompting, warning, or error messages are required, or where a person's hands, eyes, or concentration are focused on something other than the computer. Let's look at a few application areas. Imagine an electronic data processing center filled with computers, printers, disks, and other computer equipment. System operators are involved in a variety of tasks. One could be out of the room distributing printouts. Another might be writing a program, and a third investigating an error report. Meanwhile, one of the computers has halted. Typically, a message would be printed on a terminal screen, but since all operators are busy, the problem may go unnoticed for some time. Listen to how the situation would be handled using the Speech Output Module.
Attention. System number 3 is not online. Please check system number 3.
Here are some other messages that might be appropriate in a processing center.
Warning. Printer number 1 is out of paper. Please add paper to printer number 1. System manager, please place tape number 185 on to tape drive number 4.
Hard to miss these messages, isn't it? And you get clear, understandable communication. Another area where the Speech Output Module could be used is in the office environment. Executives or secretaries who use computers generally use their terminals for a short while, then move on to other activities. Speech is the perfect attention getter, since it can ask an individual to look at a terminal only when some action is required. Among its many possible uses, the Speech Output Module could announce the arrival of an electronic mail message.
You have mail. Please answer immediately.
If you're expecting an important message, there is no need to continually check the terminal screen, since the Speech Output Module will tell you when the message arrives. Now let's examine how and where the Speech Output Module might be used in a manufacturing environment. The monitoring of manufacturing processes from a control room is a prime application area. Speech works better than warning buzzers or bells because the information is more complete. A voice can not only tell a control supervisor something is wrong, but also explain exactly what is wrong. An operator no longer has to spend time interpreting noises, flashing lights, or dials, and thus can react more quickly to the situation. Here are some examples.
Warning, pump temperature exceeds safety level. Adjust auxiliary valve number 7. 1 o'clock. Power level at 30 megawatts. Yellow alert. Leakage in water tank number 4. Notify repair group immediately. Engine temperature measured at 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Another manufacturing application might be for material and labor tracking and control. I'll go through an example of filling out an inventory form to show how the Speech Output Module can be interactively used in a material control situation.
Please enter product number.
That's my cue. First, I'll enter an incorrect part number to cause an error message.
Product number 5328 is invalid. Please re-enter.
Speech can provide both error and reprompting messages without the user having to look at the screen. I'll enter a valid part number now.
Product number 3582. Supply available 56. Supply last month 50. Estimated production use this month 60. Schedule order amount 0. Unit price $50.77.
I filled out the inventory form faster using speech output than if I had been required to glance at the terminal screen. The speech output module can also be used directly on the factory floor. It is especially valuable in computer-aided testing. The technician is usually slowed down because he or she cannot read commands from a computer terminal and probe a circuit under test at the same time. Speech can direct the successful completion of a test without turning the technician's attention away from the circuit. I will act as a technician for a demonstration.
Please test circuit number P6.
I've found pin 6 and will now test it with a computer probe.
P6 passed. Please test circuit number P4.
Now I'll place the probe on pin 4.
P4 failed. Voltage level equals 0.03 volts. Voltage should equal 5.00 volts.
Without looking up at the terminal, I found the bad circuit. You can appreciate how the testing time for hundreds of boards can be significantly shortened using the speech output module. The computer room, the business office, the control room, the test station. These are just a few of the areas where the unique capabilities of speech output can be used. Perhaps there's another in front of you right now. The Hewlett-Packard speech output module gives you the potential to improve human productivity in many areas of your business. It truly adds a new dimension to effective computer communication. See your Hewlett-Packard sales representative to learn more about this exciting product.